Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be telling you all about a compromised skin barrier. But before that, I want to request you guys to please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and comment down below whatever doubts you have after watching the video. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is compromised skin barrier 101. So the number one question is, what's your skin barrier and what purpose does it serve? So the outermost layer of the skin is called the skin barrier, and it is also called the moisture barrier. So what it's supposed to do in the simplest terms is it's supposed to keep bad things like irritants out and good things like hydration in. Over-exfoliating is the number one culprit when it comes to damaging the skin barrier. Overuse of active ingredients like L-ascorbic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid and glycolic acid is another cause of damage. Overusing acne medications, prescription retinoids and also products with drying alcohols are some other reasons of damage. Not wearing sunscreen, using products with essential oils and fragrance, and exposure to dry climate, and taking certain medications, not using moisturizer, and also genetics and chemical peels performed more often than needed, and incorrect usage of at-home tools like derma rollers can seriously damage your skin barrier. Our skin barrier becomes weaker after our 40s, so aging is another reason for damage. How can you tell if your skin barrier is damaged? So when your skin is healthy, your skin looks plump and smooth and feels soft to the touch. Now suppose you have oily skin which is also dehydrated, that may be a sign that your skin barrier is damaged. Some other symptoms are occurrence of redness, rosacea, flakiness and peeling, dehydration, tightness, sensitivity, itchiness, fine lines, rashes like eczema, increased breakouts, etc. When we have a compromised skin barrier, our skin feels rough to the touch, and we may also experience a stinging sensation when we apply products on our skin. Now, how can we protect and restore our skin barrier? The number one thing that you should do is simplify your skincare routine. Using too many products can weaken your skin barrier. Another thing that you're supposed to do is pay attention to the pH of the products that you use. Now, researchers recommend cleansing your skin with a product that has a pH that is close to your skin's natural pH, which is around 5.7. Another thing that you're supposed to do is limit the frequency and time for face washing. Overwashing your skin may lead to dryness, so wash your face once or maximum twice a day, and also use lukewarm water and a gentle low pH cleanser to cleanse your face. This will prevent the exacerbation of loss of lipid barrier on your skin. Stop exfoliating for a while. Both physical and chemical exfoliation should be avoided. This will allow your skin to regenerate its skin barrier. Please use a sunscreen because it is known to be the skin's ultimate protector from environmental damage such as UV rays. Now we're coming to the exciting part of the video. We're going to talk about ingredients that help repair skin barrier, and I will be giving you product recommendations for the same. Use gentle low pH cleansers like namely hyaluronic and ceramide face wash or simple refreshing facial wash. Snail mucin contains moisturizing agents that help repair the barrier function of the skin. It also locks out irritants from the environment while simultaneously locking in moisture. I would recommend the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Ingredients that help with skin barrier restoration are ceramides, peptides, niacinamide and free fatty acids. Water-retaining ingredients such as panthenol, glycerin and hyaluronic acid will help support the skin's ability to retain moisture. Soothing ingredients and various plant extracts like aloe vera and Centella asiatica will help tone down any redness and irritation on your skin. I would recommend serums like Dermitecture Barrier Reinforced Serum for maintaining overall skin health and strengthening the skin barrier, and hyaluronic acid serums like Eclat Hyaluronic Acid Serum and Purito Hyaluronic Acid Serum for hydration. Eclat Fade Out Serum or a peptide-rich serum like Multi-Peptide Serum from the Minimalist to reinforce the skin barrier. The Purito Unscented Centella Serum also boasts of ingredients like ceramide, sodium hyaluronate and centella to strengthen the skin barrier. Since a damaged skin barrier can lead to both dryness and oiliness, look for a moisturizer that's lightweight and has emollient and occlusive properties. I would recommend the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream. It has hydrating, soothing and skin identical ingredients. Another moisturizer I would recommend is the Neemly Hyaluronic and Oat Amino Acid Moisturizer. It has oat amino acid which is rich in lipids and vitamins which help in moisturizing, protecting and soothing the skin while balancing its pH levels. It has a host of other wonderful ingredients as well. With natural moisturizing factors, ceramides and peptides, Dermitecture NMF Skin Barrier Creme is excellent for reinforcing the skin barrier. Want Barrier Boost Face Formula and Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Cream are other moisturizers with skin barrier strengthening ingredients. Vitamin E is another ingredient that's great for your skin barrier. So you can include products like the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask in your routine to reinforce the skin barrier. Wearing a sunscreen is an essential protective step, and I would recommend the Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. That's all for the video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you liked the video, and be sure to comment down below any queries or doubts that you may have, and I'll try my best to answer them. I will leave the links to all the products in the description box down below, and I will also mention any discount coupons that I may have. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.